Hello everybody. Oh my god, so I have some new stuff I want to try. We are doing yet another drugstore version. My first one inspired me. I realized like how good drugstore makeup actually is. So I bought a few more things. I don't know if this was a good or bad thing, but I had to do what I had to do. And I think I'm actually gonna make another video on top of this, battling like the best acne coverage concealers for scars. I feel like I look so rough this morning because it literally is the morning. It's 6:30 a.m. I was supposed to post this video half hour ago because I post 6 a.m. like my time. Like we're one of the last people to wake up. I was meaning to film yesterday, but I literally fell asleep yesterday at like 4 p.m. and I just woke up now. Like I slept for probably over 12 hours. I don't know. I think I was just super like stressed or tired. I have no idea. This video will get up nonetheless. The first thing I got was actually a foundation I wanted to try for a while. So this is the Covergirl Trublend Matte Made. It is alcohol free, so I'm very happy about that. Because usually matte foundations have some alcohol and I just don't like alcohol in any skincare. But again, downside was there weren't any testers again, so this I literally had to just examine with my eyes. Oh my gosh. But yes, good morning. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, this literally looks like how my normal foundations would look like. This whole week has just been so off-ish. I don't know. I'm very confident in the shade. I was just pumping it on my hand. That's usually how all the colors of my foundation look. This might be a foundation that won't really suit fake tan though, because I have a bit of fake tan on. Oh yeah, this color is like literally spot on. Nice, okay, good. Thank goodness. It just might be again a bit too pale just because I have fake tan on. But this for my like real skin, when I don't have fake tan on a normal day, I won't have to worry about it. This foundation actually might be like a medium coverage. It's not that full coverage, but it's super light. Like I was actually scared this was gonna be insanely heavy. But honestly, I'm digging this. I'm gonna do one more pump just because again it is like medium coverage and we want to be able to cover all this good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, I got foundation in my hair. Yee. Oh, that was thick. I put so much. Just makes your skin look so like natural. Yeah, I'm just focusing it just on this lower part and then I'm just gonna conceal. Wow, I really like this, holy crap. Not bad at all. Honestly, I feel like I got rid of the majority of all the discoloration. And then we're just gonna use concealer to just conceal like these spots. So this is like what it looks like with just foundation. I'm really liking it, holy crap. This might be like one of my new favorite foundations. It's a super good everyday foundation. Like if you're going a night out of town, a drugstore, definitely the Milani Wet n Wild, but if it's just like an everyday natural look, then this, holy crap. And then the next thing I picked up was actually a lighter concealer. My last foundation routine I picked up, it was a bit darker, so yeah, you can see this one's definitely a bit lighter because I wanted one for under my eyes to brighten up because I prefer lighter concealer shades under my eyes. And then this one, the darker one I got on my Sundays video, I would use more so for just like concealing my face. So we're gonna do that right now because I find that this actually conceals really, really well. Like it's a perfect shade for my face. It's weird because again it goes on a bit lighter, then it oxidizes a bit down. Okay, we'll do that. I guarantee you this concealer will oxidize within the next like 5 minutes. Anyway, we're going to just quickly do brows. Tiniest bit. Like you literally don't need much at all with this stuff. Growing on me, the color, it's really nice. I will of course link my brushes and products down below. And I'm gonna carve them out with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. I'm on the back of the hand. Gonna just blend it out. And this stuff dries down fast. So definitely be quick with that, be snappy. Okay, so now we're gonna do like actual concealer. There's a few concealers that I got, so of course one of them were the pale shade of the Covergirl because I really like the concealer. The next one, a lot of you requested me try the e.l.f. concealer, so I actually might be trying this just because again I've been getting a lot of requests. And this is a Camouflage concealer, and also I had to pick this up because it's like $2 cheaper than this. And this is also a Camouflage concealer. This is the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. These are both Camouflage Camouflage concealers. So I kind of want to test both of them because both of them are high coverage apparently. I think I'm gonna go for the e.l.f. Hoo-hoo. This eye, e.l.f., and then the other eye I'm gonna do the Essence. I'm very, very curious to see and compare the two because they're super, super similar. Ooh, holy crap, a little goes a long way with this. Wow, yeah, a little definitely goes a long way. Holy crap, yeah, that's very high coverage. Okay, we're gonna try the Camouflage Essence one on the other side just because I'm very curious. Okay, we're just gonna try that much. I don't know how much I just put on. Okay. Okay, this is a bit more darker. And this is less matte. This is more like satiny. Definitely not as matte as the e.l.f. one. You can even see it's kind of like wet. If you want a more like natural full coverage, then I feel like this would be good. But if you want to go like all out, this e.l.f. one is insane. As for like actual coverage, this is the Essence and this is the e.l.f. Let me know in the comments which one you feel covers the most. I feel like both are very, very similar. So I'm just gonna quickly set my whole face with Coty Airspun. I assume everything will kind of come together. The only thing I am finding though, my e.l.f. concealer is grabbing onto way more powder. Like it's a bit more patchier. It's weird. Like you could see the powder. Like I'm trying to brush it away. It just like will seal onto that powder. Whereas like the Essence one, when I set it, it looks a bit more natural. Again, like once I set it, it doesn't grab onto as much powder, which is weird considering this is the more wet side. So I would assume it want to grab on more powder. But then the e.l.f. one, which is super matte, was the one that grabbed onto the more powder. So it's weird. So this one looks like honestly a bit more creasier. Very, very mild difference. Okay, don't come at me. It's a very mild difference. Like both of them look great, but yeah, I would say the Essence one looks a bit more natural. Just the fact that it doesn't grab onto as much powder when you set it. So yeah, I'm just gonna use the Butter Bronzer from this palette to quickly bronze up my face. I'm gonna use my all-time favorite drugstore blush. It's from Essence. It's in the shade 20 Satin Love, and it is the Satin Soft Blush from Essence. I will link that down below because I lost the cap. Mauve was the word I was looking for. I don't know why I couldn't think of that color, but yeah, it's very mauvey because again, it's not too pink, which I appreciate in blushes. It's just, oh, it's so beautiful. And then my highlight, I'm going to take the Sleek, and this is the Quad Cleopatra's Kiss. I used Solstice last time. This time I'm using Cleopatra's Kiss because they have like the most natural. This one right here, honestly, any color you use from this palette will be like stunning. I'm not gonna use too much today because I went a bit overboard last time with this stuff. And this stuff is so blinding, it's so amazing. The e.l.f. concealer is definitely more thick. Yeah, then the Essence concealer definitely like shears out so it doesn't look as dry. I don't know, but then that could be the fact that e.l.f. concealer does pick up a bit more powder. So go easy on the powder, I guess, if you were to use like loose powder. Maybe you might want to use a pressed powder when you set your under eyes. That might actually look a bit better. So there's my highlight done. Love the highlight. I'm just gonna give myself a quick wing with my literally the best matte liquid liner. NYX, so good. It literally is just called matte liquid liner. Pick it up, it's amazing. God, trying so hard not to blink. Oh my gosh, my battery's gonna die. I feel like I just charged this thing like yesterday and it's already dying. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do liner and lashes off camera and then I will come back to you. Okay, so I applied just one coat of this because I just wanted to do it enough so I can apply some falsies. Am I gonna wear these falsies to school? Probably not, but I'm just gonna do it for the video purposes. I carved out my eyeliner because I like the look of that better, so it looks a bit more pop. I'm gonna quickly set it up and quickly blend the side. Okay, okay. There we go, that's way better. I'm gonna quickly apply these off camera and then I'll be back for you with lips. So we got my lashes on. Everything's looking interesting. Make sure when you put on makeup, all that, moisturize your lips, face, put on your sunscreen. By the time you get to the lips too, your lips won't be all crusty. I'm gonna be using my classic NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Push Up. It is the best shade. I love it so much, it's so natural. Definitely your lips a better look as well. That's like almost an orangey undertone almost. I didn't really notice that. So on top of the lips, this is the last thing I got because I always like to apply the Shine 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 lip gloss. This is just straight up pink. Wanted to just put on like a nice girly pinky kind of shade to lighten up my lips a bit. The other Essence shade is 01 Bright On. This is 02 Smile, Sparkle, and Shine. I love that name. What we should be doing every day. Smile, sparkle, and shine. See how this looks like because I have not tried this before. Whoa, this is like metallic-y almost. You just put a bit, spread it out. Your lips look very, very plump and it doesn't give that like too metallic of a look. Put a bit on the top of my lips. I want to make them look as plump as possible. I really like this. This is intense. Holy crap. The last thing we're gonna do, oh shoot, is just spray the face. I just also brushed out my curls so they'll look a bit more natural. Before I spray my face, I want to show you like the powderiness. Man, my lashes. Kind of just quickly put, I'm probably gonna take my lashes off right away. So it's a bit more like less creasy and like less powdery compared to this side, right? There's like a bit more creases and there's more powder. You can see like literally like the powder that the elf literally grasps onto. My lashes. I did my lashes so bad. I literally have to go to school very soon, so I'm gonna take these off anyway. But yeah, I just wanted to show you. Interesting. Anyway, this is my Essence Keep It Perfect setting spray. This might take away the powderiness once I set it, so. Okay, so there's still some creasing. And then this side, again, this side is like not as creasy compared to this one. Again, I think there's still a little bit of powder. So I think if I were to use this concealer again, I'm gonna probably use a pressed powder. Just use the most minimal powder I can. This concealer, the Essence one, is a bit more forgiving. If you load on the powder, it's not gonna grasp onto it. But yeah, that's the only thing, that's the only difference. Other than that though, the color is awesome. The coverage is awesome. Everything about it is great. This foundation is absolutely amazing. I'm probably gonna be using this foundation every single day now for school. Yeah, this is like definitely a really good school foundation because it has enough coverage for acne, but it doesn't have like so much to the point where it's like full coverage, and it just looks a bit more natural for school everyday wear. So this one is like perfect. This lip gloss is awesome. Oh my gosh, I love the little brightening effect that it does have on my lips. Yeah, that's this foundation routine. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I'm probably gonna take these lashes off right away because I gotta leave for school. I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday and Thursday. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any video I post. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.